Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Audi Q3 headlight bulb. First, prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle's engine is completely off and cool to the touch. Gather your essential tools, which typically include a screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Always refer to your Audi Q3 owner's manual for any model-specific details or warnings before you begin this process. Once you're ready, open the hood of your Audi Q3 and carefully locate the headlight assembly. You'll likely need to remove a few covers or clips that secure the assembly in place. These are usually straightforward to detach. After gaining access, gently disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old headlight bulb, being careful not to pull on the wires. With the electrical connector detached, you can now carefully remove the old bulb from its housing. Be gentle to avoid damaging any surrounding components. When inserting the new bulb, handle it by its base and avoid touching the glass part, as oils from your skin can reduce its lifespan. Finally, firmly reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb. Before fully reassembling everything, turn on your Audi Q3's lights to test the new bulb and ensure it's working correctly. Once confirmed, carefully reattach all covers and secure the headlight assembly back into its original position. Double-check that everything is snug and properly aligned. For other great deals, including the darn tough socks mentioned, check the link in the description below. You've successfully changed your headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.